Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add a thumbnail to YouTube videos. So the thumbnail is actually what comes up when you search for a video on YouTube, and it's the first picture you see. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do upload daily how-tos, step-by-steps and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. And if you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. So what we need to do is come and open up our internet browser. And what we want to do first is come across to youtube.com. And once we come across to YouTube, we just want to go ahead and sign into our account up here in the top right hand corner. Once you're signed in, you want to click your icon in the top right hand corner and come across to your YouTube studio. So once that's loaded through, you need to click the create button at the top here, assuming you've already created a video. And then you want to click onto upload videos. And what you can do is quite simply drag and drop your video file here to upload. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and drag one of my videos in, just like this. Bear in mind this is just an example. So you would just call it, obviously put the title of your video. And you would go ahead and put the description down here. And if you scroll down a bit, you actually see the option to add a thumbnail. Now, with YouTube, you've got a couple of options in terms of thumbnails. What's going to happen, automatically YouTube's going to auto-generate a thumbnail for you, which will be basically a slide from your video. And that's what's going to appear in the search results. You can use softwares. There's a couple of good ones out there. You've got Photoshop, which is more advanced, but you've got things like canva.com, which you can actually use to create a custom thumbnail and upload. If you wanted to upload your own custom thumbnail, you would need to make sure that you verified your YouTube account first. If you haven't done that, not a problem. All you need to do is come across to youtube.com/verify. You can see I've clicked through. Obviously my account's been verified already. I've had a message pop up say that. If you haven't got a verified YouTube account, all you'll need to do is it'll come up with a form, and what you need to do is basically put your phone number in. And that's how they verify your account. So what they'll do is actually send a code either by text message, or you'll get an automated phone call. You then put the code into the form and that verifies the account. As soon as that's verified, what you can do is actually upload your own custom thumbnails, which I would highly recommend. And to do that, you would literally, on the upload video screen here, you would click this button here where it says upload thumbnail. And then all you simply do is just pick the thumbnail you've designed. So for this example, I'm just going to click this one, and you can see that's come up there. Then you would scroll down and you would put your other details in. You put like the video tags. If it's for kids, you know, fill in the rest of the information, click next, add your end screen and cards if you want to. I'm not going to go into that in this tutorial. This is literally just to show you how to add a thumbnail. Click next and publish, and that's going to publish your video with your custom or auto-generated thumbnail. Once your video is uploaded, what you can do, if you come into your YouTube studio and you click on content on the left hand side in the menu down here, you can actually change any of these videos. I'm just going to delete this a minute because that was just the example video. But yeah, so say you wanted to change your image, say you're not happy with it and you wanted to change it, what you would do is click the little pencil icon next to the thumbnail you're looking to change. And all you need to do is just scroll down slightly and just past the description, you've got the thumbnail section here. And if you hover over your thumbnail, you'll see 3 dots come up here and options. Give that a click. And what you want to do is click on to change. And you would simply go ahead and change your thumbnail to whichever one you wanted to change it to. So for example, if I wanted to change it to that one, I'd click there. And what I would do is go ahead and then click save up here in the top right hand corner. And that's going to confirm the changes, and that's going to change the thumbnail. I'm not going to do that on this one. I'm just going to undo the changes. And that's it. That is how you upload and change your thumbnail. I hope you found that helpful. I will be looking at doing a tutorial in the near future on how to create custom thumbnails. So if you'd like to see that, drop a comment below and I'll put something together for you guys. Like the video, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.